Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Geosurf tutorial series. My name's Ben, and today we're going to take a look at the Geosurf Gateways, so let's log in and get straight to it. After logging in, you'll see the navigation panel on the left. Click Geosurf Gateways, and we'll go through all steps. Step 1, select your desired service type, whether that be random country, a specific country, state or city. It's entirely up to you and your use case. Step 2, choose your rotation type. You have a choice of high rotation, per session, or sticky IP. You may ask, what's the difference? Well, high rotation means that every request sent will have a new IP address. Sticky IP rotation is when the IP address changes every 1, 10, or 30 minutes. Per session enables you to bind your connection to a specific IP. The only limitation is TTL, which is defined by the gateway. With session IPs, you can stick to one IP or run multiple parallel IPs. Note that if you are part of a shared service or server, you're best using username password authentication. And finally, step 3, choose your location. In the last step, you can specify the IP location. Now let's have a look at some examples. Say you wanted to use a sticky IP with 10-minute rotation time in Lyon, France. I'll choose city IP from step 1, sticky IP from step 2, select France as the country, Lyon as the city, and this is our output. The gateway looks like this, and the port ranges between this number and this number. Changing the port will change the IP. I'll copy the 10 minutes Geosurf gateway shown here, along with the port number, and paste the information in the proxy configuration setting. If I want to use high rotation in a specific country, I'd select country IP from step 1, high rotation from step 2, and again, focus on a particular country. How about if we want to use the per session option in a specific city? Again, select city IP in step 1, followed by per session in step 2, and the country and city in step 3. Here we go. The gateway is shown here, and your username and password authentication will appear here. To change the IP, all you need to do is change the last 6 digits of the session number seen here. For more advanced users, curl examples for each can be found at the bottom of the page here in order for you to copy and paste directly to your terminal in case you want to see the results of your IP choice. Please check out our FAQs page for more details if needed, and remember you can always reach us through clicking support. Thank you.